I think it's happy day for all Libyan people. All people in the world, maybe we happy with the Libyan people. This man is very dangerous for Libyan people and for other country because he do very bad for before in Europe, in America, in French. He kill more people. The man come for the life, for kill people, for dictator.
De 3 jongens binnen uit Libië vluchten en zitten nu in het asielziekencentrum in Sint-Anne. Het nieuws komt binnen via de televisie, maar het blijft moeilijk te leeuwen dat Gaddafi nou echt dingen wensen zoeken.
But I see just one picture, maybe no good, you know. But after you can see live for TV, for the news, for everything. I can see him after I can believe him, you know.
Contact met de familie vol op deze dag net, er is net terug te komen. Ik al ben ze verschrikkelijk blied, zei hij Grutte zwargen hoe het nou verder met mijn haren lopen.
Exactly no safety in Libya now. Just people you have Kalashnikov and protest. No police in the street. And little bit police in the street but don't have anything, don't do anything.